up? Welcome back to the Freaky Channel. So I've got something super special for you guys today. We are going to go over wrapping a vehicle, what it takes, what it costs, who to use, what to look for, and I figure there's no better place to come than right here.
So this is just...
So it's all cut?
This is paint protection film, which is a matte clear bra. So it's the same thing as regular gloss clear bra, but in a matte finish. Does the exact same thing, same adhesive. So with this is actually a hybrid kit where we actually take the pattern and extend the pattern so you can see here it's longer. So we make sure we get everything covered, you know. So.
What does something like this cost? Is this like where you do?
So this is actually a little bit more expensive than actually a vinyl wrap color change. This is something like this would probably run roughly around $5,500.
And this is whole car you're doing?
Yep, the whole car. Obviously you're getting all the spoilers and all that kind of stuff done.
And then is this stuff more forgiving than vinyl?
Well, the difference from this is, yeah, I feel like this is a little bit more forgiving. This is actually a thicker film, and it actually protects the vehicle more than a vinyl wrap. It's a lot thicker, and like I said, easier to maintain, stuff like that.
What do you use underneath there? What's that spray?
It's literally, this is isopropyl alcohol and distilled water mixture. And
okay.
this, that would call it a tack solution. This is called a slip solution, where it's literally baby soap and distilled water, and it just helps you kind of float the material without sticking. You know, as you can see here, like I said, we have a hybrid kit where we're actually taking a kit and extending all that. As you can see here, you know, we're wrapping all the edges. That's kind of why it's a little bit more expensive, and kind of separates yourself from other shops. As you can see here,
that's in one piece.
Yeah, one piece. Most kits or shops would just kind of go a little bit, but you know, we try to do the whole thing, and it's actually covered in the backside too.
Check this out. So what do you got going here? What's this texture?
So we got a two-tone going on here. You know, your alligator wrap. This is actually a vinyl wrap that is almost like an alligator skin. A little different, you know, it's customer's cars, what he wanted. Everyone has their own taste. And then we kind of paired it with the satin white wrap here. And now we're just kind of tweaking it the way the customer wants, with a little bit of the gold accents, you know, gold Rolls Royce. Oh, you gotta check out these wheels here.
And that's gold.
Look at it.
Like that's gold.
So he's got alligator with that. Sick as that. And then these are the wheels that we powder coated. Yeah, so he got some, these are 24s, I believe. That are going on there. And the caliper is white with reflective details. And these here, I don't know if you want to pop your head in here, we're getting alligator door handles. We're still finishing this up, but if you look here, we're going alligator in there too.
Jeez.
So this guy's doing everything.
So it's pretty much endless what you can do with.
Yep. The nice thing with vinyl wrap is it can be removed. It can be 100% removable. It doesn't damage the paint as long as it's OEM paint. But there's endless designs, colors that you can do with wrap. It's up to the owner. So. And
then what is something when you get into like custom work like this? What does something like this end up cost?
This is going to be a little bit more expensive, especially with the specialty wrap, the gator wrap. What color
is this car underneath?
It was like a cream white or alpine white. I think you can see it right here.
Oh, okay. Okay, so it's
it wasn't too much of a change, but he wanted to go with the satin and a brighter white. As you see, it's kind of like almost like an eggshell kind of cream white.
That's insane.
But for typically like a vinyl wrap for a car, it'll range $4,500 to $5,500. Obviously, this is gonna be a lot more because we went the two-tone, and a lot of that stuff he's doing custom. So he's well over, you know, 10 grand at least for that wrap. So
it's gonna be sweet. This is awesome.
Gator too. Some detail into that. We also painted this too. We're gonna do some kind of cool things. We might even do gold dots for the eyes, or even red dots for the eyes, just to customize it.
So what are you guys pumping out in a day here, vehicle-wise?
It's tough. We're probably doing about 15 to 20 tints a day. As you can see, we're doing a lot of clear bra. Clear bra takes a little bit longer, so an average week of cars, we're probably doing over 100 cars in and out. A small shop. We definitely outgrew this shop. We've only been here for a year. We got a second location coming in Medina. I'm pretty sure you're gonna see some content on that with Lambo Dad here.
We're gonna do something else. We might even have to, I don't know, I haven't decided what I'm doing with my car. Maybe we'll sell it. Maybe I'll just give it to them, make them do something sweet, and then buy it back, or just not do anything and then work on. Maybe we should make our Rolls Royce look like this bad boy. All right, so we are now in the lobby, and yeah, this place is sweet, dude. So what can you show me here?
So these are your typical vinyl wrap colors, different brands that we carry. Avery, Dennison, I'm pretty sure everyone's heard of that. Look at the color select, color samples that you can get, all the way from chrome, red, black, all that, all the way to carbon fiber, glitters, all that kind of stuff. There's different brands that we carry. KP Meth, some of our favorites. And obviously you have your 3M. New kind of stuff is going on in the industry, is changing now, that clear bra is your typical, protection for your front end, and door edges, door guards, mirrors. They are making clear bra that is already colored, so it's even your ultimate protection. And look at that, white clear bra, black clear bra. Look how glossy that's clear bra. That's not a vinyl wrap, so it won't get scratched. Just think if you did a full car in that, that'd be pretty damn sick.
Like a Lamborghini Gallardo?
Yeah, that would be pretty awesome. And they have the red. Look at that. That's like a forged carbon. It's a clear bra, so it's not vinyl wrap. This is about 8. I believe it's 8 mil. Vinyl wrap, you're looking around 3 to 4 mil, 5 mil, depending on the brand. So it's twice thick. It's scratch resistant, super hydrophobic.
So when you do that, does that change how hard it is to install?
So there's 2 different installs. For vinyl wrap, it's a dry apply. It really depends on the installer. Some guys like vinyl wrap over a clear bra. Some guys like clear bra over vinyl wrap. To me, I like doing clear bra. I feel like it's a lot more smooth. It's I would say a lot less work on your hands.
And so for the money, it's a totally different ballgame.
Yeah, you're going to be spending a lot more on clear bra, but you got to remember, not only it's changing the look, it's also protecting your vehicle, that kind of stuff. It's a thicker film, so it's actually protecting your paint. Like I said, with vinyl wrap, it's a lot thinner, and most guys are just doing it for color change and not protecting their vehicle.
Okay, so do you think, is this where the future is going, into colored?
It already is. If you look here, there's a new company that came out here. I believe they're from Canada, GSFW, and they have gloss black, matte black. Look at that, metallics,
okay,
white. These are clear bra that are color.
Okay.
So before, clear bra was only clear, or not, matte was getting really popular. But now that's actually a true color, and it's hydrophobic and scratch resistant. Look how shiny that is.
That's insane.
And this is the beginning of clear bra and color change now. I think this is going to be the new thing now. So
that's awesome. Yeah, this is super cool. It helps me. I've had wraps, like a lot of vehicle wraps, and so far none of them have gone very well. But so what's it take to stand out in this industry? I know that the industry can be nasty, and there can be a lot of hate in it because of the fact that a lot of people screw up cars doing it. What has made you guys, how long have you been around for?
I've been around for almost 20 years, starting out at my mom and dad's garage. What separates ourselves from other shops is that we have the experience, we have certifications through not just one certification, we have multiple. As you can see here, we're UASG certified, 3M certified, Suntech, Expel, glass transparency.
You guys
It's
got it
endless.
all over the place.
Yeah, so experience, you can always learn, and we strive to always be better than ourselves. So I think that's what separates us from other shops.
Huge shout out to these guys over here. They're kind of doing it all. I think I've had, well, this thing got tinted here. I've had like all my vehicles tinted here.
Yeah.
They came and did a house visit because we had 3 vehicles. I could not get them all across town. So that was freaking awesome. So when someone comes here and you're located in, what town are we in?
This is Fridley.
Okay,
Otherwise,
Fridley, Minnesota.
Yep, or Minneapolis, same
Yeah.
thing. You can actually schedule, you can call, text, or actually schedule on our website, 10prosmobile.com. Very easy. You can pick your service and tells you how long it takes, and just schedule you right in there.
And how far out are you guys? How far out do you usually stay?
So in the summertime, we're usually about months out. 1 to 2 months out. Wintertime kind of slows down a little bit, but we're usually about at least 2 to 3 weeks out. But
All right, so if you need some work done, come out in the winter while your car's in storage anyway. Hit me up. I can work out a deal to trailer your car here because we've got a trailer. And then hit these guys up, and I'm telling you, I've worked with a lot of shops, and these are there's a reason they've been around for 20 years, doing something that a lot of shops don't last that long, and they do a good job. Thanks, dude.
Thank you.
Yeah.
We'll see ya.